third component to keep in mind is for how long you're going to get the benefit. There are programs that offer 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. There are policies that even pays for the entire lifespan. Those can be expensive. Not all the companies are offering it, but it's something to keep in mind. You can definitely choose to have a lifelong policy if there is something within your financial abilities to do so. There are other types of long-term care insurance available, like you can take a hybrid program where you choose a life insurance policy and the policy value, you can use it for your own care. Where you, in a situation that you had to get some care, you can always do that. So there are different options available. My recommendation always would be to find a good insurance agent who can talk to you and offer some good possible options. There are really good companies out there that can offer these insurance programs. Bottom line is get one sooner than later. A lot of these programs are changing the shapes and they are not offering a lot of the features that they used to offer a couple of years back, and the landscape is changing by the minute. So I would highly encourage to look into the possibility of getting a long-term care insurance right away. Now, for those who have long-term care insurance, a word of warning. You may think that you may never use this. And at this point in time, what actually worries you is every year the premium is going up and I don't know if I can afford it, and maybe I should just call them and just cancel it, or maybe I'll just call them and give them a piece of my mind. Don't do any of that. Don't cancel your program. Keep it. I have had several clients who went down this path and the long-term care insurance offered a solution which actually hurt them. The solution they offered was they removed the inflation rider. And by removing the inflation rider, they said, I will keep the same premium for you for the rest of the policy life. But what it did is it just devalued the program completely. There was one client, he was a World War II veteran. When I started providing care for him, his long-term care insurance policy was having a value of only about $27,000. That's nothing. And when I checked into the details, this is what he did. He was so upset that the premiums were rising, and he got so mad, he called up the insurance company, yelled at them, and they said, okay, we can make it work for you. We'll remove that inflation rider, and then your premium will remain the same. Now, what if he had not done that? If he had not done that, his policy value could have been a healthy $350,000 or higher. That's the loss he had. I mean, just by changing that parameter, he lost the policy value to that effect. So don't change it. If anything, consult somebody like us in the industry who is providing the care, and we can tell you what you are likely to lose by making those decisions. So don't hesitate, give us a call, say, hey, I have this policy, I'm considering changing it because the premium is becoming unaffordable. I can run you through the math and show you, saying that this is the money you're going to put on the table. If you do that, you are completely devaluing your policy. Please don't do that. Going back to the original starting point, no long-term care insurance policy is a bad policy. I would say it is that important to have it. Do it. This is a gift you can give to your kids.